Hey there, everybody. Today I'll be creating a GUI for converting PRC files as fast as possible. The timer will start once I hit create a new project, and it'll end once I zip up the build. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, Windows format, create. Taking a sweet time. Alrighty, let's open up Toolbox. Button, label, open file dialog, and a text box. Now that we have those, let's go ahead and start organizing stuff. Label here, extend this, button here. Let's make sure they're aligned. Yep. Now that they are, let's just move this up a bit. Control C, Control V. Let's do it one more time. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. We're gonna put this here. Let's copy the text box. Make it multi-line and extend it down a bit. That should be it for the design part. So let's start the coding. We're gonna go here. Create a dialog results. Res equals open file dialog 1 dot show dialog. And then if the res is okay, we're going to go ahead and fill out text box 1 dot text equals open file dialog 1 dot file name, and that should be good. Let's just duplicate this once. Button click 2, text box 2, one more time for 3, and this one will be 3. And then we'll go here and assign the buttons functions here, 2 and 3. Now we'll go ahead and include ParacobNET. So when you open up Firefox Developer Edition, ParacobNET, download, zip. Let's go ahead and get that. Open it. Let's go ahead and extract the files. Close this, close this. We'll go ahead and reveal this in Explorer. Open up ParacobNET. We'll copy these two here. And then we'll show everything here and include ParacobNET in the project. And open up Program CS for ParamXML. Copy everything from here and go up. Paste. Delete these two. Most of the stuff here we don't need it, so might as well just get rid of it. Let's go ahead and create a converting. We're gonna go ahead and make a convert function, but first we'll copy mostly everything over here. Paste. See where the errors are. Help text. Well, we don't need help. Label name. All right. Delete all this. Delete this. Delete this. And delete this. If input equals null and build mode valid, just return. Actually, I'll leave this here, but we'll go ahead and copy the help text too, might as well. I'll change that up later from the polish section, but alrighty. So we'll go ahead and slowly help print check over here. No point for that. And Yeah, good enough. Help printed equals, we don't need that. We need the input and output to equal two things. So first we'll convert input. And this one will have string input, string output, string, let me see here, label name. Where is it getting label name? Here. Label name. We'll see this. Input output is unnecessary here. And we'll go ahead and put this here. And then we'll check if path.getExtension. We'll check the input. If it's a PRC file, then the build mode will be disassemble. I could use a switch for this, but I'm not gonna bother. Else, it should be assembled. Actually, wait, might as well check if it's XML. Else if this x, else if x equals .xml, then it'll be assemble. Else, just set it to invalid. Wait. Mode equals build mode dot invalid. Alright, good enough. I could also add a check to see if the output is XML or PRC in this. But for now, nah. I'll leave that up to polish section, but let's see here. If it's not an empty output, then yeah, sure. Else, alrighty. So looking at this, string label name equal to null by default. Let's see here. Is null or empty. Then you get to initializing, blah blah. Let's see where output is used here. Alright, this should work. Theoretically, hopefully. So let's go ahead and test it out. That's gonna take a while. Button 1, UI_DB. Button 2, let's go ahead and UI_DB.xml. I need to fix that. But for now, I can just copy paste and change it here. And 3, we'll go ahead and pick param labels, convert. It should have converted. Let's check. The testing. No, it didn't. So why is that? Oh wait, I forgot. Classic blunder. Let's go here. Form on design. Button 4. We need to set up something. Convert PRC. Wait, did I not? What did I call this function? Convert input. Private. Errors pop up from that. Convert input. If text box 1 dot text string dot is null or empty this or text box 2. The more we're gonna show an error message, so message box dot show IRC. Text. Please make sure the input and output text boxes have a title or message box. Wait, what? Message box button dot okay and message box icon dot error. That should be it. And we'll just return. Else we'll just go ahead and convert input box one dot text, text box two dot text, and last but not least, text box three dot text. Oh wait, they're not in that statement. Are you serious? Okay. That should be everything. We have an error. Let me go ahead and fix one more problem I made. We'll add a save dialog. What is that? There it is. Form on CS. We're gonna go to 2. Text box 1, text box 2. Save file dialog 1. And copy paste. Alright, that should be it. Button 1. DB. Button 2. This .xml. And button 3, param labels. Convert. Let's see if we're converted. And there we have it. Let's try bringing it up with Notepad++. Oh boy. I'm just gonna copy the path and open it up manually here. 395 kilobytes. That means it converted, hopefully properly. And yes, it did, with labels and everything. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna assume conversion back works. Now we just have to polish up some stuff. First things first, I've noticed is, yeah, the button on the top seems bigger. Alrighty, so first we're gonna go here. Go back to properties. Button 1, we'll have open, save, open. 1 will be input file. Label 2 will be output file. And label 3 will be param labels. Optional. What else? This one needs to be read only. Wait, this one should be convert. This one, read only. Where is thou? There it is. We're gonna go ahead and move this up a bit more. And now we'll go ahead and change the form on. PRC converter. Let's go here. Control box, help button. Let's just say it's false. This one's false. This one's false. Show icon, no need. And then which one was it? Let me see if I can find that somewhere. Yeah, this one. Fix dialog. Okay, that should be it. Good enough. Make sure that everything's here aligned properly. God damn. Okay, good. That should be it. Yeah, my eyes are playing tricks on me. Ugh. Anyways, let's go here and let me go ahead and look for something real quick. we need to go ahead, redirect console dot right to text box C# and 4. Then let's read that out right now. Alrighty, let's check this. Alrighty, let's copy this. True programming going on right here. Paste this here. And notice, yoink. Wait, my bad. Probably should have put it up out of here. And then console dot. Oh wait. Using system dot encode string. Okay, wait, this is being weird. Okay, yeah. Let me just go ahead and see. Use encoding C#. Classes. This is just using system.encoding. Using system.text. Alrighty, that's good. Console.set out new control. What was it called? Control writer. And then let me pass in text box 4. And then we go ahead and get text box 4, and then once this runs, we'll clean it. Text box 4 text equals nothing. Let's fill the text box up. Oh, it needs to be the first class. Alright, let's just copy this. Oop, paste. Hopefully that fixed it. Yep. We'll fill this up with credits right now. Now modified version. Let's just call this GUI for using ParacobNET by Ben Hall, Task 7, Arthur. Okay, how do I add a line break here? That's a better question. Alright, that should be good enough. Let's test it out. Start. We'll open this up. And we'll pick UI. Yep. And convert. There it is. Let's try the opposite real quick. XML. And convert that. The system cannot access file. Is this being used? Oh wait, is it this? Okay, yeah, that was weird. Let's try it again. RDB 35 convert. Okay, yeah, looks like fine. Let's see here. Close. What else did I need to do? Pretty sure I have something in the back of my mind. But for now, it looks like it's working perfectly fine. Let's go ahead, switch it to release. Build Windows Format 1. Open up release. Right click. Send to compressive folder. Alrighty. Wow. The polish, I think I already polished it up a bit, so 19 minutes for this. Wow. I think that's good enough. Anyway, just gonna go ahead and send it to the guy who wants it on Discord. Discord.com. Anything else I needed to do? I probably should have tested it out if it works without param labels, but it should. Let me just go here. You can actually see what I'm doing. At who was he? Professor Steve. Yes. Now let me send him a screenshot of the time. And yeah, that's it, I guess. Alright, that was pretty fun. I should probably test it out on stream. Not on stream. Just to continue debugging, I don't care. We'll open up UI save it as XML. Yeah, sure, go ahead. And just convert. Alright, looks like it worked. That was fun. See y'all later. Goodbye.